today I want to show you my new apartment. This is the most luxurious place I ever lived in. And I wanted to tag you along, show you around, show you my fridge and everything, and the place and like the view and everything. So yeah, I think this is not my first apartment tour, but yeah, I don't know.
This might be the last.
Might be the last apartment tour. Next one is house.
Period.
So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, and it's on the floor. It's just stunning throughout. This is exactly where I need to be. But anyways, let's not chat too much. Let's go into the kitchen. Here we go! This is the kitchen. We have a big kitchen island or kitchen bar where I can put seats and I guess like 3 like bar stools in where I can eat, or my friends can sit there when I'm entertaining and cooking something up. Because let me tell you something. This kitchen, this is where I'm gonna, like, I'm not going DoorDash, Instacart, contradicts, because this is where I'm gonna be, okay? Be like, huh? You say what? You want some more? I got you. Yo.
The host with the mostest, okay?
Hostess with the most.
Go put your skills to use.
Let's talk about this the sink. First of all, it's dirty, but they will clean it because I'm moving in tomorrow, so they will clean it beforehand because what the hell?
Bruh.
I love the sink and the, what is it called again?
Babes, if you don't know, I don't know.
I love the fact that I can take this out and just do my little thing, you know? Just convenient. This is giving me very much convenience. I can also change this to a different setting. Okay. Beautiful. The finishes are really bright. You have white, you have like this gray wood for the what is this called?
Cabinets?
Yes, you have a like grayish, like bright wood for the cabinets, and silver finishes for the handles. The handles, yes, and we have a freaking dishwasher. This is life. This is life that I need. Okay, I grew up with a dishwasher, so I feel like moving around everywhere. I was in New York and I never had a dishwasher. I feel like this is like, you know, where I need to be. Like, I love the fact that I have a dishwasher. I'm gonna use it. I will use it. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna use it. And here we have the stove, which has actually like 5 stoves. No, what is it? 5 tops. Mm-hmm. So, you know, like, I'm probably not gonna use them all, but
it's good to have.
It's good to have. We have an oven, which is so cute. Look at the oven. Why is this blue? I love it.
It actually looks like LED lights, but it's not.
Oh. Because it is brand new. Nobody ever has lived here. So I'm the first person to move in. So everything is brand new. And period. I have a microwave. Okay, one thing about me, I don't use microwaves. So for me to have one, it's interesting. I'll see what I'm gonna do, if I use it or not. Maybe to warm some products up.
Child, when I come, I'm gonna use it.
You gonna use it?
Sis, I love a microwave. I don't know why you don't, but I do.
Good. So then we have like all the more cabinet space. There's so much storage, but I'm not gonna show you everything because whenever I see an apartment tour on YouTube and they like go through all the storage, I'm like, why? Like, we know it's there.
We see it. It's a cabinet. I'm dead. The ass is a detail shop too.
Me opening my 2-door fridge.
I cannot.
I also got ice. Okay, so whenever we go have drinks or whatever, there's always gonna be ice. I never have to be worried about that no more. This is very nice. But yeah, I can't wait to organize my fridge. Like, I already know, like, I'm gonna have my drinks here. I'm gonna have, you know, my fruits here. I mean, you guys know how that works, but like. But here we have a closet, which is also a walk-in closet for real. It goes around the corner. I'm definitely going to use this for any like packages that I'm receiving, or I don't know, maybe like jackets. When people come over, I will definitely put them here. Now we're going into the first bathroom. This is going to be the guest bathroom and the bathroom whoever comes over will use. Here we have the LED light in the mirror. You already know the mirror pictures, the images are gonna be flaky.
It's already popping over.
It's already right. Is this? Oh, I can't wait to create content here and just also do my skincare, wind down, start my day. This is me. And then we have lots of storage here too, which will be definitely overly used. Also, like, look at the floor. Look at this. Do you see that? The tiles in the shower is so gorgeous and beautiful, so well thought of. Like, I love the details in here. The bathtub is really big, it's really deep, meaning that I'm going to be soaking. In my old apartment, you couldn't pay me to take a bath there. So I'm excited that I have the Shut up! You couldn't pay me. Yo!
It's not happening.
It's not for me. But okay, come to the thermostat because, wow, this is where it's gonna be at. So basically, we have AC. Oh, how did he do that? Oh, here.
Quick little intermission.
I am about to control everything that happens in this place, the temperature on my phone. Like, that's one thing I hated about my apartment is like whenever it was hot outside, it was freaking hot in there. Whenever it was cold outside, it was freaking cold. So now, anymore. All right, let's turn it off. No, I'm bumping up the bills for no reason. Okay, so here we are in the living room. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put my TV a little bit lower. We'll have like a TV console that I still have to look for. I have something in mind, but I haven't found yet. But a TV console, the TV, and then I'm going to play around and decorate the wall with art. I'm also going to do my own art, so keep it up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see me DIYing. Because if you know me from Instagram, you know I used to be Brhane. She's still in me. She just took like a break of 2 years, you know, but she's back. And now she's a little bit more sophisticated. She's like, we want to do some art.
Now we want to do some art.
Let's go into the studio / closet / workplace. This is the second room, the bedroom. This is a little bit more narrow than the bedroom that I'm using or choosing to do as my bedroom. I love how there is a window, like obviously floor to ceiling windows in this apartment. And I love that there's partially a wall here where I would probably set up a desk or something. Like, I think I love the fact that I have both, like, you know, the wall and the window. I don't know why that is so important to me, but I love it. I don't know, I love it so much.
No, it's gonna be very convenient.
If you're anything like me, you probably watched Sex and the City a whole lot when you were younger. That was me, and I think like one of the reasons why I love this apartment so much is because we have a walk-in closet that directly gets you to the bathroom. And if you know Carrie, my homegirl Carrie, she had the same thing. And I was like, it's giving me very much, I'm living my own Carrie's life. Does that make sense?
Yes.
It gives me some sort of comfort because it's like, wow, like I used to watch Sex and the City and would have wished to live a life, anything like that. And now here we are, like literally 20 years later, living it. That's crazy. Well, okay, so here are the closets. So much closet space, which is perfect because I have too much clothes and too many things I have to put away. Oh. But yeah, same thing here. Here's the second bathroom. This is going to be my main bathroom where I'm just, you know, I'm probably going to do most of my skincare content and all the content I think I'm going to do here just because it's like more secluded, you know, it's just my bathroom. The other one will definitely be like guest bathroom and when people are over. which probably won't happen that much. The second bedroom, which will be my bedroom, is here. And same thing, we have like the floor to ceiling windows. And I can't wait to wake up with the sun. Because in my old apartment, I had to cover the windows because there were some weird like 24-hour lights, literally like beaming into my place. So I wasn't able to experience that anymore. And I'm like, the sun and I.
Look at how your hard work brought you here, babes. Okay?
Yo!
Waking up with the sun, seeing a view and shit.
Then we have the walk-in closet here as well, which has lights, which is beautiful. I'm definitely going to use this more so for, you know, pajamas, workout clothes, like things I would need early in the morning quickly. And we'll probably also like install like another dresser or something here to store like, you know, towels and just things that you don't want to really have in your actual closet, because my actual closet will be in the studio. So yeah, this is it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I didn't even realize this is
so many space. Yeah, you could use bins and.
I can probably use this for my shoes, like the shoe thingies
Oh
that I have.
yeah, true.
Yeah.
What's there?
What is that? Oh,
That's the
there's
AC,
more.
no?
Oh, you see those cables?
Yeah.
That's scary. I'm never gonna open this again.
This is not. I'm never opening
This is above me now. This is above me. This is my apartment, you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm definitely going to create more content here. Oh, it's a little like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm definitely going to tag you along while I'm like furnishing this place. I'm going to do some DIY.
Do it yourself. DIY.
DIY. I always do it wrong. But yeah, DIY.
Yup, you got it.
I'm definitely going to do some DIY projects like art stuff and just fun things to make this place feel like home. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.